Let knowledge flow like a river without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hello everybody, I'm PS Chatterjee with you. Today it is commentary on IS-456-2000 clause 5.7. Storage of material as per IS-4082-1996 clause 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28 and table 1. This is part 11. Structural design only, a channel with different vision. If you are watching my video first time, for more information, you may start from part 1. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Before start of the lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Clause 4.25 IS 40821996. It is water. 4.25. Whenever water is to be stored for construction purpose, this shall be done in proper storage tank to prevent any organic impurities getting mixed with it. These are the peak shear storage of water for construction. Clause 4.26. Clause 4.26. IS 40821996. Oil paints. Now the question is, what are oil paints and where we can use oil paints? Answer: oil paints are commonly used for walls, steel windows, grills and gates due to their durability, weather resistance. They provide a smooth finish and vibrant colors, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of this surface while protecting them from corrosion and the elements. 4.26. All container of paint, thinner, and light material are preferably stored in a separate room on floor with shade sand cushion. The room shall be well ventilated and free from excessive heat, sparks of flame, and direct rays of sun. The container of paint shall be kept covered or properly fitted with lid and shall not be kept open except while using. The container of paint have expiry date marked by the manufacturers, which should be highlighted so as to facilitate use of the paint within the due period. And these are the picture or photos of storage and use of oil paints. Clause 4.27 IS 40821996 Storage of sanitary appliances. What are sanitary appliances? Answer is sanitary appliances are essential fixtures in bathroom, kitchen, designed to facilitate personal hygiene and waste management. Examples include toilet, sinks, bathtub, shower, etc. They play a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness and sanitation in homes, public rest, restroom, and commercial establishments. Sanitary appliances are used daily for tasks such as washing hands, bathing, and disposing of waste, contributing to overall health and well-being. 4.27. All sanitary appliances shall be carefully stored under cover to prevent damage. When accepting storing appliances, advanced planning shall be made regarding the sequence of removal for the store to the assembly position. Supporting brackets shall be so stored as to be readily accessible for use with the appliances. Photos, storage and use of sanitary appliances. Clause 4.28 IS 4082-1996 storage of other material. 4.28 small article like nails, screws, nuts and bolts, doors and windows fittings, polishing stone, protective clothing, spare parts of machinery, lighting, packaging, water supply and sanitary fittings, electrical fittings, insulation board, etc. shall be kept in suitable and properly protected storeroom. Valuable small materials such as copper pipe and fittings shall be kept under lock and key. And these are the pictures of storing such elements. Table 1. Storage and stacking checklist. Clause 4.1. The stacking and storage of material generally used in construction as given in clause 4.2 to clause 4.28, which have been summarized in the form of a checklist in table 1. And this is our table 1 for storage and stacking checklist, clause 4.1. Column number 1, serial number. Column number 2, it is material and components. Column number 3, base. And it is further divided into three categories: farm level ground, hard floor, off floor. Column number 4, stacks. It is further divided into four columns: heaps, tiers, flat, and vertical. Column number 5, it is type of cover. It is further divided into three columns: open, open but covered, under seat. For an example, I'm considering material cement. Then base will be off floor, stack in tiers, and cover will be under set. In this process, they have listed 21 items here. You can we can add more number of material or component as per our requirement. End of commentary on part 11 and also end of IS 4082-1996. My next video will be on clause 6 of IS 456-2000, that is concrete. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this